Ika-4 na day ng preseason ng MPBL. Araw-araw ay laging pisikalan. Laban ng Pasay versus Ilagan. Tampok si Prince Rivero sa pisikalan. Tutusuporta naman ang kanyang kapatid. Spotted sa court si Richie Rivero.
There. Oh!
Christian Fajarito going crazy sa unang quarter. Pumukol lang naman ng 5-3.
Launch the 3 and hit. Enriquez to Fajarito. 3-pointer again. Shot clock winding down for Fajarito. Oh! Enriquez loses it. Fajarito will fire again! Oh!
At ang inaabangan ng rookie, debut game na si Steve Nash Enriquez. Jackpot ang Pasay sa point guard na ito. Nag-takeover mode sa crucial minutes ng 4th quarter. Tara at panoodin natin ang full game highlights hanggang dulo, mga ka-big time.
The Fajarito pick. Nash drives inside. Nash from downtown. It's good. Enriquez for 3. Yes! Seconds in the shot clock. Nash. Yeah, again!
Another big shot by Nash Enriquez.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
Kasama niya sa backcourt, King Ortiz, Christian Fajarito, Mark Parks, and Edmond de la Cruz. Sa ilagan na tingnan natin kung madadala. Sends it to Fajarito for 3. Got it.
May tira talaga si Fajarito sa 3 eh.
Enriquez. Bigay kay Parks. 3. Yes.
That's his shot. Favorite shot from Mark Park.
Fresh shot clock here for Ilagan. Hesitation move. JL with a finger roll.
Veteran move by JL De Los Santos. Ganda ng galaw niya.
Back to Art. JL for 3. Yes.
Soft, steady shot.
De La Cruz magbaba ng bola dito. Art. Download to Prince. Musling his way in. Prince Rivero.
Yan ang strength ni Prince Rivero.
Tiny. Papalitan si Art De La Cruz. Maru.
Parang ano eh, no? Parang starter din yung pumalit eh.
Oh, Richie Rivero. It's Gumaru. Nash sends it to Brian. One dribble pull-up. That is money para kay Brian Hilario.
Sobrang ano, muna kaagad.
Mina will fire. Yes. Maru. Corner. Wide open. And grabe yung labanan sa box out doon. Hilario and Rivero.
Pareho.
Last year with passing. Oh, nice. That is a smooth. Pingoy. Extra pass. Mina. One dribble pull-up. It's good.
Another goal, good ball movement. But
Ang bagay na bagay sa mga MPBL na
PBL,
laruan.
oo. Mga ganun.
What a move. Alan Mina. Martel goes up strong. Gonzalez recovers. 3-pointer. Yes.
Swerte.
Art. Don for 3. Yes. Don Gumaru. Fajarito. Launch the 3 and hit.
Yun na naman, second 3 of the ball game by Fajarito.
Nash Enriquez uses the Fajarito pick. Nash drives inside and he flips it up and in.
First 2 points of Nash Enriquez as a professional.
Santos, Art, extra pass, Gumaru for 3. Yes! Enriquez to Fajarito. 3-pointer again. Christian Fajarito.
Natin sa ibang league sa kasama kaming dalawa.
Shot clock winding down for Fajarito.
Whoa!
Playing out of his 3 seconds in the shot clock. Enriquez loses it. Fajarito will fire again!
Whoa!
That is tiny. The shot clock winding down. Wala na isip-isip ni Christian Marito.
Pero 5 out of 5.
That's a 3 from Coco Pingoy. I'd like to thank ManiPay, the digital wallet built for the community.
Court to court by Nash Enriquez.
Nash Enriquez. That's Solis rather. Pingoy fires and he knocks down the 3. Allen, extra pass, Coco for 3. Again,
Yes.
9 points in the quarter for Coco Pingoy. Gortiza takes the jumper and swishes that one through. De Los Santos, what a finish!
Breakdown on the defense of the pass.
That time, Don advantage here. J-Boy knocks down the corner jumper. Ilebrico, the alley-oop from Rivero.
Oh, what a play by the Cowboys.
Sabay pa sila pumasok eh.
Galing sa timeout, parang ganun yung dating eh.
Oh, Gonzalez making
8 points for Gonzalez.
bigat ng galaw na yun. Alan Mina steps into this three-pointer. Swak na swak. 3-second differential, game clock and shot clock. Gonzalez, the Hesse. Masyadong malalim yan, pero
Pumasok pa rin.
point separating the two teams. Quarter scoring Ilagan. Better third quarter. Rivero with a drive and the bucket.
Good execution by Prince Rivero. He saw the open lane, he attacked it.
Foul there. Atake si Nash. Labas. Corner 3. It's good. Gabayni puts it in off the feed by Art De La Cruz.
Inspired basketball ang binibigay sa kanya. Ang binibigay ni Joseph Gabayni ngayon.
Oh,
Look
yan,
at that! Look at that! Speaking of Joseph Gabayni,
Nabitawan ni Gonzalez. De La Cruz picks it up. And a layup.
favorite shot by Munmun de la Cruz. Oh, off leg eh.
A little too casual there. Oh!
Oh!
JL!
Hinabol eh.
Stop
Oo
block
nga
pa! Look at that.
Linis oh. Inspired basketball pinapakita ng Isabela Cowboys. Yung ano eh. Yung combination niya dito sa ball game na to eh.
Enriquez gets it to Gonzalez for 3.
Wow.
We're
Good pass
tied.
by Nash Enriquez.
Nash from downtown. It's good.
I have that feeling na titira ni Nash.
Enriquez for 3. Yes!
Another big shot by Nash Enriquez.
8 seconds in the shot clock. Nash, yeah, again! Here's Enriquez.
Yeah, I think Isabela needs to foul.
What a show of force from Nash Enriquez. JL De Los Santos will lay this in. And that will do it. The Pasay Voyagers score a 76-69 win over the Ilagan Isabela Cowboys.
You don't like that? You don't like NBA basketball?